welcome to Stitch in Heaven, and my name is Anita. Today I'm going to be sharing a tutorial with you guys called June's Backyard. This is a pattern that Deb wrote that is actually designed for big floral, large scale type prints. You know, there's not a lot of patterns out there that really allow you to utilize these type prints to their full potential. A lot of times we use prints like this as a backing fabric or a background or something of that sort, but this pattern really takes these fabrics by Anna Marie Horner is who we used on this sample, but it really takes these big bold floral prints and puts them on display in this quilt. This is the Love Always line by Anna Maria, and you know, I love this one. It's got lots of bright colors, lots of bold prints. I really love it. What I also love about this quilt is that it is not complicated at all. So this one's gonna go through the basics with you, like half square triangles, quarter square triangles. You know, it's got lots of large squares, so you're not dealing with little tiny pieces. So I really love that. Now, most of this pattern is pretty straightforward, you guys. So I'm not gonna go over the basic half square triangle with you, but I will tell you that when you're using half square triangles and things at home, I love these little Quilter's Magic Wands. A friend of mine showed me these when I first started quilting, and I'm not sure who invented them, but they're a genius. So you just take these, and I'm going to use this fabric as an example for you guys, and of course this is a very large square, but basically you're going to line this line up with each corner, and you're going to draw lines on either side here. And that is going to be your sew lines. So when I first started quilting, I would, you know, take a ruler like this one, and I would draw a line corner to corner, and of course that would be your cut line, and then you sew a 1/4 inch on either side. Well, coming from a garment background, y'all, I struggle with that 1/4 inch seam. So this really helped me out, and I hope one of you guys, it'll help you out. I just love it. So you're going to be doing lots of half square triangles in this, but we're also going to be doing quarter square triangles. Now, this has a really neat step-by-step picture tutorial in here in the pattern. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 of these squares, and these are 13 1/4 inch squares. So like I said, you're not working with small fabrics, okay? We're going to take these, and we are actually going to line them up just like this. And I'm probably a little slower at this than some of you guys. Okay, we're gonna move these out of the way. And I actually have a big square ruler that I'm going to use. This is what I used to square stuff up with too. But I'm going to take this, and I'm going to draw one line from corner to corner, and that is later going to be a cut line for me, okay? So we're just going to draw us a line here. I love these sew line pencils because I feel like I'm writing with a regular pencil. Okay, and then we're actually going to take this, we're going to turn it, and I'm going to draw another line. Okay, now this line, I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch on either side, okay? And this is going to be sewn all the way down. You don't stop at the middle line or anything like that. You just sew all the way down and trust the process, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, so we now have sewn on either side of one of these lines, doesn't matter which one. We've used a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and now all we're going to do is slice right there, okay? But first we're going to look at the pattern. In the pattern, it wants you to cut this way on this line that's not sewn, and then this way. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so now I have 2 of these units, and now we're going to take this and we're going to cut right on that line in the middle there. And I'm going to do one at a time because I am not quite as talented or gifted as some of you guys that have been doing this a long time. So if Anita can do this, you can do this. Okay. So then you are left with these little units right here. Okay? I'll lay these out. And you're also going to do this with another fabric as well in here. I believe these 2 fabrics that I'm showing you now are fabrics 2 and 6. There's also another fabric that you're going to make quarter square units with. But look how pretty that is, you guys. And it was so simple. So I actually like to press my seams open. I know that's probably not very popular, but once again, I come from a garment sewing background, and back in my brain is just telling me that pressing to the side is not okay. And once we get these nicely pressed, there we go. And you have a nice little quarter square triangle unit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was very short and sweet and to the point, but you can download the pattern as a downloadable PDF on our website, or you can order a paper copy of the pattern on our website as well. There's also a kit available with all the fabrics labeled in there for you, and it comes with the pattern. So you guys get on our website and check it out. If you just like to shop the fabric collection, you can do so as well on our website. Just type in Love Always in the search bar and it'll pop right up. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.